Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the SKDON Trend Indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to give a clear visual read on trend direction by plotting color-changing elements on your chart, helping you quickly see when conditions are bullish, bearish, or shifting. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we go. The SKDON Trend Indicator typically appears as a line, band, or on chart coloring that changes based on its internal trend logic. When the indicator shows its bullish color or state, it visually implies that upward conditions dominate and that price is generally moving with a positive bias. When it flips to its bearish color or state, it implies that downward pressure is in control and that the market is favoring a negative bias. As the chart develops, these color changes map out trend phases, making it easier to distinguish trending swings from periods where direction may be uncertain without prescribing exact entries or exits. As for the indicator settings, let's look at the inputs. So we basically have the MA method and then the MA period. You can also change the colors of our lines and arrows so it fits in perfectly with our existing MT4 chart theme. Alright, so who is it for? The SKDON Trend Indicator is suited to traders who want a simple visual trend filter for use on intraday or higher time frames. It is a lagging analytical tool only. It does not execute trades, and in sideways or news-driven markets, it can flip frequently and generate misleading impressions of trend. For best use, it should be combined with support and resistance, price action, and risk management as part of a complete trading plan. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the SKDON Trend Indicator and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.